welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing this makeup look, and I am so excited for this video because I actually partnered up with Karity Cosmetics to bring you guys a makeup tutorial using their Picante palette. This is a palette that I have on my eyes right now, and look at this gorgeous palette. It's an affordable palette. The shadows perform like a dream. They're so beautiful. You have warm tones, you have cool tones in this palette, and I love it. You can do so many different eye looks with this one palette. I freaking love it. Did I mention it was affordable? I think I did. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with, and I may or may not be giving one away in this video, so you're gonna have to stay tuned to see. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't want to drag out the intro too long. If you want to see how I got this whole entire makeup look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I am starting off by priming my lids, and I am using a concealer. I am going to then go ahead and set that concealer into place using a translucent powder. I'm going to start off by taking the shade Pimiento, this one right over here. It's like a really pretty kind of orangey, peachy shade. And I am going to place this in my crease, and this is going to be my transition shade. I am going to go ahead and take the shade Fearless, and I am going to put this in my brow bone as my brow bone highlight. I'm taking the shade Bobby, and I am going to place this a little bit lower in my crease than that previous transition shade that we first applied. I'm taking it using a JH32 brush. So I'm going to keep the color just a tad bit lower, but still keeping it really nice and intense in the crease area. I'm going to go in with my first blending brush to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Harvest with that same JH31 brush. And I am just, again, going to put this in my crease just a little bit lower and a little bit more concentrated. Taking a little bit more of a tapered blending brush, this is an Ofra 21 brush. I'm going to go into the shade Flamenco. And again, I am putting this in the crease. And this is just really going to intensify those red tones. I'm taking my concealer once again. I am just going to kind of clean up the lid space, make like a little cut crease, nothing crazy. I just want to just kind of really clean up that lid. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the shade Bittersweet, and I'm going to place this right here in the outer corner of the eye and up towards the crease. I'm going to go ahead and take a flat brush and take the shade Passion, and I am going to apply this right next to Bittersweet in the outer corner, so like right in here, just to kind of mix those two shades together just a little bit. And next, I'm going to go into the shade Fearless, and I'm going to apply that all over the entire lid. This color is absolutely stunning. It's such a beautiful color. I'm going to take a little bit more of Passion, and I'm just going to re-intensify that burgundy and make sure that both shades kind of mix in together by doing light taps. I'm going to go ahead and take a makeup wipe, and I am just going to wipe off the fallout. I'm going to take a flat brush and the shade Bittersweet once again, and I'm going to apply that to my top lash line, kind of like creating a winged liner with this eyeshadow. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the skin, and then we'll come back to finish the eyes a little bit later. For the skin, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm going to take some of this and put it right here on the cheek area, because that is where my pores tend to look the largest. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing in two foundations. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation in shade 123, and on top I'm going to mix in the ColourPop No Filter Foundation in medium 110. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the YSL All Hours Concealer, and I'm going to mix it in with a little bit of the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and give this another chance. So I'm just going to apply this right here under my eyes. And I'm going to take my beauty sponge and blend this into the skin. And now I'm going to go in with my YSL All Hours Concealer, and I'm going to put this right here, like in the inner corner, where I need to really brighten things up. I'm also going to put a little bit down the bridge of the nose, center of my forehead, and chin. Before I blend that out, I am going to do a little bit of cream contour up in the forehead, cheeks. I'm going to blend out the contour using a Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush. And for contouring, I am using the KKW contour stick. I'm going to go over the contour with my beauty sponge. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer with the beauty sponge once again. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my nose contour. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes using the Ben Nye Fair Translucent Powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of the skin using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder in number 2. I'm going to take it with a little powder puff and just kind of press that into the skin and set everything. I'm going to take a little bit more of that translucent powder and I'm going to apply it on the sides of the nose to further contour and highlight, and also right here in the inner corner. Taking a bigger sponge, I am going to bake the bottom half of my face. I'm going to go ahead and bronze my skin, and as always I am using my Benefit Hoola bronzer. For blush, I am taking the Buxom Wanderlust in Havana. This has been one of my favorite blushes recently. I use it every single day that I do my makeup. It's so freaking pretty, and kind of going upwards and back. I'm going to go in with a brush and dust off the bake. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish off the eyes. I'm going to go back in with the shade Harvest, and I am just going to go to town with the shade in my lower lash line. I am just really just going to smoke that out in the lower lash line. I'm going to take a black eyeliner and I'm just going to line my waterline. I'm going to take a flat brush with Bittersweet and I'm going to apply this really close to the lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and move on to lips. I'm going to start off by lining my lips using MAC Spice Lip Liner. In the center of the lips, I'm going to add Maybelline 055 Driver. And then on top, I'm going to just add a gold gloss. This is the Desi and Katy Over the Top gloss. To finish it off, I'm going to add highlight. This is the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby Highlighter. I'm going to take a little bit of this and apply it like on the tops of the cheekbones. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes. I am using the Dame Boss Dreamer lashes. I'm going to pop these on and then I'm going to back to show you guys the finished look. Alrighty you guys, so this is it. This is the finished completed look. I really love the way this look turned out and I hope you guys like it too. Like I promised in the intro, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I am going to be giving away one of these palettes to one of you guys. The only thing that you need to do to enter is 1, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. 2, make sure that you like and share this video, and 3, make sure that you leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite videos to watch here on YouTube are. Like, what do you watch watch the most here on YouTube. Make sure to check the description box in case I left anything out, but I think that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I love you, and I'll see you guys very, very soon with a brand new video. Mwah! Good.